Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be mailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. For example, for the first step item 1.1.01, you'll see the cell comment. Or for the second step, again the cell comment. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is in the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B0000, Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on a single project dimension sheet. Item 1, Step 1. The goal: prepare accurate fixture bids. As the person who prepares bids, you will be confident because you know all details of the bid. As a buyer of fixtures, you are confident because you know the basis of bids received. And as a contractor, you are confident that the quotes received from subcontractors are competitive. Data you enter calculates information that is used to schedule, control, and improve production, thus increase profits. Templates you construct make the process increasingly efficient. At optimum efficiency, only 2 types of inputs are necessary. First, fixture dimensions and quantities. Second, material prices and quantities. Users set factors such as labor rates that fit their experience. Those factors are used for subsequent bids or new rates are entered. The results of each cost workup is evaluated to improve cost accuracy of subsequent estimates. Any factor or variable can be changed at any time. This example, item 1.1.01, is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking 1.1.02.